Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to fix critical error on customize section in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in customize section, and then you see error. There has been a critical error on this website, so we are going to fix it. Now go to front end. So front end is working fine. Refresh the page. Now you see website loading correctly, but on customize section we are facing issue. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. Sometime plugin or theme conflict, so you can deactivate plugin all and then activate plugin one by one to check which plugin caused this error. But mostly this error occur due to memory limit issue. So we are going to increase PHP memory limit, maximum execution time, maximum input time, and maximum input var, and then our issue will be fixed. So there are two ways to update this. First, you can add code in wp-config.php file. So this is our code. Now you see define WP memory limit 256 M, set time limit, and by using this we are going to increase maximum execution time. By using this we are going to increase maximum input time, and by using this we are going to increase maximum input var. Now you see value we added. So you can add all 4 lines in wp-config.php file and your issue will be fixed. And you will find this line of code in video description or in comment section. Now back to website. Now go to hosting. So we are in PHP domain. So this is our domain and we are in PHP setting. Now you see memory limit. So we are going to set 256 M. If you want, you can add 512 M. So it's up to you. And then you see maximum execution time. We are going to set 300. And then you see maximum input time. We are going to set 300 again. And then you see maximum input var. So we are going to set 7200. And then click on save changes. Okay. Now setting saved. Go to website again, customize section, and refresh the page. Now you see critical error remove on customize section. So we are in customizing section, or you can add these 4 lines in wp-config.php file. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.